For you to make your searching efficient, take note of how the certain commodity you are searching for is used. This allows you to estimate the need for this good and make it a basis if it is a possible load for a certain carrier. For example, aluminum materials are periodically needed by hardware manufacturers, such as with kitchenware. This might be a good load for a carrier because it offers a steady amount of delivery at a given period of time. On the other hand, you can't expect a steady demand for steel surgical instruments and make it a consistent load for a carrier. This is because they are reused and only occasional shipping is needed, lowering the chances of finding a shipper that ships this kind of good. Remember that shippers who ship consumable goods have the most consistent delivery times. So expect a food manufacturer to have a steady amount of loads and will need the most consistent and reliable carrier. It is your job to find one if they agree to work with you.